Let's move on to step 2, setting up your white label domain. When you log into your agency dashboard, you'll land on the home page. Here, you can see an overview of your agency, including the default AI website builder URL, your agency's current status, and helpful tools like marketing assets and sales playbook. To continue, open the temporary URL you created during setup. This is your private agency dashboard. Log in using the same email address you used when registering. That email is tied to your agency and gives you full access as the owner. Next, let's enable white labeling. This allows you to fully brand the platform under your own domain name. Click the purple Setup button to begin. First, enter your root domain. This is your main domain name without www or https. On the next screen, you'll set how your URLs will look. Once that's done, you'll see a summary of your configuration. To unlock white label feature, you need to upgrade to the Elite plan. Once you're on Elite, go to Settings, then click the White Label tab. Now it's time to connect your domain. Lindo.ai will generate a list of DNS records that you need to add to your domain registrar, like GoDaddy or Cloudflare. Add each DNS record exactly as shown. Once all DNS records are added, give it a couple of minutes. You'll see the status update to connected once everything is verified. And that's it. Your white label setup is now complete. You can now access your branded AI site builder at your own domain, and your clients will see your branding across their websites and email notifications. You're officially running your AI site builder under your own name.